Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be reviewing the OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's start off by giving you a bit of information on this phone. So the processor is a Snapdragon 855. It's got 6 gig of RAM plus 128 gig ROM. It has a 48 megapixel triple camera and a 6.67 fluid display, which I think is fantastic. The way this phone runs on gaming, on typing up documents, on social media, it's fantastic. I've been using this device for around, say, 2 months now, maybe yeah, two and a half months now, and I just find it fantastic. And it's got a pop-up camera, which I really love, and it's even got the on-screen fingerprint scanner, which is really good. And on the side here, you've got this kind of switch, would you say, a toggle to take it off silent, put it into vibrate, put it into ring. This one locks the device, and then you've even got the pin there, and then we've got the volume up and down. I really do like the front screen display and the kind of the camera, the way it's been laid out there, and you know, the what kind of material they've used here, which I find really good. Okay, the device itself runs really smooth, even on gaming and stuff. TikTok, for example, you know, boom, it's loaded. Things like that. So let's give you an example. Let's just go and play a game. Let's try that. Okay. So yeah, gaming like that. Let's just go to Call of Duty. That's gonna take, yeah, so it's not even got a game mode, so switches to game mode. Let's just pop the brightness up a bit. Actually, we're already full. Let's just take battery saver off. Yeah, so you get all these little features here at the top: Bluetooth, flashlight, battery saver, vision comfort, NFC, dark mode, light mode, hotspot. So we've got Call of Duty loaded up now. So let's just give that a go, show you how well it keeps up. So yeah, the gaming is perfect. The display is good. It's pretty quick and responsive. Have I got anything negative to say about this device? Well, the screen could be a bit more tougher, as in the build of the actual phone, the materials been used could be more tougher. Other than that, I think it's a good phone. I think it's a very well built phone. However, it could be built better, could be built a bit more robust, a bit more stronger. The screen is fantastic for an Android device. So yeah, that's my thoughts on this device. If you are looking to get one, I recommend you do. If you need any further information, any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Please like, share and subscribe to build this channel so I can bring you more exciting content, and I'll see you on the next one.